Hello my friends. In this video I will show you how to use the Autolike extension on your computer. First, extract the extension using WinRAR or any other zip program. Then open Chrome browser. You can access Manage Extensions in two ways. I will not explain everything in audio. You can see the steps, they are very easy. You can click here and enter the place of extraction of the extension. Or you can simply drag the extension folder to the browser. Pin the extension to the extensions bar. Click on the icon to open the extension. And wait for the server to connect and get the data. When requesting the activation code, do not close the extension. Simply because when you open the extension again, you will get a different activation code. You can watch the video how to get the activation code. And also watch all the videos in my channel to understand the extension. Good luck and God bless you.